My video guide will provide you with help to remove the online scammer that claims to be the message from Windows support. This scam quotes this fake Windows support number, which is +1 844 654 0384. And if you see such pop-ups, be very careful. Do not trust them. Such pop-ups are fake and obviously deceptive, so do not call this fake Windows support number. Instead, just leave this deceptive page. Finally, I recommend that you additionally research your computer with Combo Cleaner. It can be found on the website combocleaner.com. So use this green download Combo Cleaner button, install the application, and then once it gets successfully installed, start researching your system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to effectively detect and eliminate other types of infections which could still possibly remain on your Windows computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner Antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.